The Parthenon, Greece. Imagine standing on a hill, the sun beating down and gazing upon a temple that has stood for over 2,400 years, an iconic symbol of ancient Greece. The Parthenon, completed in 438 BCE, is more than just a stunning architectural masterpiece. It's a testament to the power, culture, and creativity of one of the greatest civilizations the world has ever known. Built on the Acropolis in Athens, this temple was dedicated to Athena, the goddess of wisdom, and was meant to showcase the strength and influence of the city-state of Athens at its peak. What makes the Parthenon so remarkable is not just its size or beauty, but the precision and innovation behind its design. The Parthenon's architects, Iktinos and Kallikrates, used mathematical principles to create perfect proportions. For example, the columns slightly curve inward to give the illusion of straightness from a distance, an engineering marvel that has stood the test of time. Despite enduring earthquakes, wars, and centuries of destruction, the Parthenon remains a symbol of ancient Greek civilization and democracy. Even today, standing before the Parthenon, you can feel the power and grace of ancient Athens. And while much of the temple has been damaged or lost over the years, the Parthenon still draws millions of visitors annually, inspiring awe and admiration. Its resilience through time is a powerful reminder of the achievements of a culture that helped shape much of the modern world. When you visit, you're not just looking at a building, you're witnessing history itself.